probably the only.
I have a dump truck. I just got to get my airbags sorted. I
Okay.
mean,
Oh, that's right, because your truck is done.
yeah, I moved all this here. Yeah, I can carry 8,000, 10,000 pounds in there.
So 3 to 4 yards.
Yeah, I wouldn't put 4 in it, but 3 yards anyway.
Well, this is an awesome
Two would be
excavator.
nice. To be able to carry 2 yards, that would be fabulous. Because I'm used to carrying 1.
What? That pickle is not done.
Again.
You're done eating that just because you ate the center out of it?
Oh, when you only have 4 teeth.
He doesn't want the skin.
Nope. He doesn't like the hard stuff. He only wanted the center. He just chewed the soft center out of it. Ooh. Well, the birds will like that, right? Chipmunks, birds, chickens.
Ducks.
Uh-oh, boom.